Alright, so what's in this box here? Are these in... What is this?
Jesus is in this box.
Jesus is in this box.
Jesus.
We got...
¿Por qué?
¿Por qué?
¿Por qué, Jesús?
Oh my god. It's gonna be so cool. Make sure to hold it up next to your face when you get it out.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Woo! Jeez.
Alright.
What do we have here? Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Praise Jesus.
Praise Jesus. Oh, glare. There we go. That's awesome. Hold it up next to your face.
Should I do the,
Should do the...
which way am I looking?
That's so funny. I love it.
I love the background on it too, dude.
Yeah,
It just all comes together real nice.
it does. We spent a lot of time on it.
Sick.
That's my favorite graphic so far.
Yep. These are it for right now until the next order comes in.
It's
so,
just like 10.
Yep.
Fucking badass.
Okay.